In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Amazon Photos backup settings, Account/Portal. Let's start at the source. Open the Amazon Photos website in your browser and sign in with your Amazon account. Once you're in, you'll find options to control storage and backup preferences right from the web interface. This portal is your hub for high-level settings, especially for checking how much space you're using and deciding on your storage plan. Next, navigate to the storage area. Look for a section labeled Storage or Manage Storage. Amazon often shows this as Storage, Manage Storage. Here, you can see your current plan, how much space is left, and what's taking up the most room. Photos are essentially unlimited for Prime members, but videos count against your quota. If you shoot a lot of clips, this is where you'll likely upgrade your video storage when you need more room. Keep an eye on the usage graph so you can make informed decisions before you hit a limit. Now let's talk about autosave and upload behavior on your devices, starting with the desktop app. Open the Amazon Photos desktop app and go to the Backup tab. Click Add a folder to backup, then choose the folders you want Amazon Photos to watch. This could be your Pictures folder, a custom album, or a drive with family archives. After selecting folders, set your preferences for how often the app uploads and which file types it should include. If you prefer to avoid large uploads during the workday, choose a schedule that runs when you're not actively using your network. If you mainly care about images, you can exclude certain file types to keep the backup lean. It's a good habit to periodically review what's being uploaded and how it affects your storage. Video files are the biggest space users, so check your totals regularly in the web portal. If you notice your quota climbing quickly, you can disable autosave from specific folders that tend to contain large files, like raw project folders or screen recordings. On mobile, the app lets you choose which device folders are included so you can keep essential albums backing up while leaving temporary or noisy folders out. Finally, revisit the Manage Storage page from time to time. Trim items you don't need, archive only what matters, and adjust your plan if your usage patterns change. With the website for oversight and the desktop app for precise control, you'll keep your Amazon Photos backup organized, efficient, and within your storage goals.